today's video, we will see how to fix the alert saving failed in TradingView, cause and quick fixes. So the step one is you can simple check the alert limit. So TradingView has a limit on how many alerts you can create based on your plan. Right now, I am a free user, so I have only a one alert create limit. Okay, so you can check that according to your limit how many alerts you can create. If I try to create any other alert, okay, so it will gives me a error. Okay, and also any kind of change, it will gives me an error to buy the subscription plan. So firstly check your alert. Okay, and if you reach the limit, you can delete the unused and previously used alerts and create a new one. Step 2, invalid alert conditions. So if your alert condition is incorrect or incomplete, especially with indicators or pine script may fail to save. Many users can do, they can create their own alert using a pine script. Okay, by simple using a pine editor. And now here, if the code is not perfectly and here is a issue in your code means bugs, then the alert will not be safe. Also, if you here add incorrect conditions like the price, like the price is above and you set the completely low price, or the frame, the expiration date is before the today, okay, and others, so then it will not be safe the alert. The next step is you can you can single check the internet or session issues. Sometimes the error due to the connection or a temporary session glitches. Refresh the page and check your internet and try again. Okay, you can simple press the refresh button to refresh the page. And the last step is you can simple check the browser issue or cache problem. Browser cache or extensions can interfere with the TradingView. Clear cache, disable extensions, or try opening TradingView in incognito mode. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.